कोई भी इंसान चलता फिरता ही अच्छा लगता है। मूवमेंट इज नेसेसरी टू मेक अस फील अलाइव, बट द पेन इज द एनिमी ऑफ मूवमेंट एंड द फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट इज अ डॉक्टर ऑफ मूवमेंट। I am Dr. Gautam Yarya, your physiotherapist. This video is all about what is physiotherapy, who is physiotherapist, what is the role of physiotherapy, and when to consult a physiotherapist.
Physiotherapy is one of the medical stream, but it is not a part of paramedical stream. इसमें ड्रगलेस ट्रीटमेंट दिया जाता है. According to WHO, physiotherapy is as a plan and implement rehabilitative programs that improve or restore human motor functions, maximize movement ability, relieve pain syndromes, and treat or prevent physical challenges associated with injuries, disease, and other impairments.
We physiotherapists assess the patient कि उसे क्या तकलीफ है, फिर देखते हैं कि उसे कोई मोटर फंक्शन में तकलीफ है कि नहीं है. Some of the thing कि उसको डे टू डे लाइफ में फंक्शनल लिमिटेशन आ रहा है, उसकी मूवमेंट बराबर नहीं हो रही है. If there any pain syndrome or if there any nerve irritation, after assess the patient, we are making the plan of care और उस प्लान को हम पेशेंट पे इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं.
हम पेशेंट को फंक्शनली इंडिपेंडेंट बनाते हैं, उसका पेन रिड्यूस करते हैं. इफ़ पेशेंट इज सफ़र बिकॉज ऑफ इंजरी, डिसीज और कोई भी टाइप का एक्सीडेंट या लीजन हो या इम्पेयरमेंट हो, उसमें रिहेबिलिटेटिव प्रोग्राम का यूज़ होता है. रोल ऑफ फिजियोथेरेपी इज़ वेरी ब्रॉड. We physiotherapists are needed in many cases, many places, like in sports rehabilitation, because chances of injuries are very much. So, to give immediate relief through electromodalities, stretching, or kinesiological tapping, or traction, or manipulative techniques, or other things. So, sports में physiotherapist रखते ही है. एट द जिम पर्सन कम फॉर जनरलाइज फिटनेस, तो उसका पूरा एक प्लान बनाने के लिए फिजियोथेरेपी इज यूज्ड. पोस्चरल प्रॉब्लम में अराइज फ्रॉम द ऑक्यूपेशनल प्रॉब्लम्स. द प्रॉब्लम्स आर लाइक बैक पेन एंड नेक पेन. नेक्स्ट अवर रोल कम्स इनटू एक्शंस फॉर delayed developed child who are not able to have achieved the milestones at the proper age. Then the geriatric patients, बढ़ती उम्र के साथ, who have problems with their joints, muscles and having problems with their movements. Then some of the rehabilitative program in every neurological conditions, any brain lesions like upper motor or lower motor nerve injuries, stroke, GBS, many kind of conditions and brain conditions. In ICU, to relieve the chest congestion and increase the chest mobility and improving the integrity of the respiratory system. Ortho patient with injuries like fracture or ligament injury or any surgical procedure like TKR, THR is done, so उसमें बहुत important role है. One of the other role in a physiotherapy is used in labor. Right now, a number of normal deliveries has been reduced because of the other problems. So, female fitness during pregnancy is very much and more needed. So, important is muscle strength अच्छा होना चाहिए and physiotherapy can help you. If you have a normal occupational problems like neck pain, back pain, knee pain or a heel pain, so you can directly come. But if therapist tells you to get the reports which you needed, so consult to a respective doctor or a surgeon to rule out any kind of other problems. So your physiotherapy will be started. Females mostly are very need physiotherapy because of postural problems. सुना ही होगा आपकी आंटीज़ और मम्मीज़ के बैक पेन, नी पेन और नेक पेन के बारे में. Many of the people around us all are suffering from daily living. So it's very need awareness of physiotherapy, awareness of good posture of the people.
Now you know what is physiotherapy, who is physiotherapist, what is the role of physiotherapy, and when to consult a physiotherapist.